Hello investors, welcome to Technically Speaking. Let's go over some of our ideas for the upcoming week. And remember, if you're a newer investor or trader, make sure to watch some of our educational videos in the description below.
Market activity for the week remained tepid despite a better-than-expected inflation print. The PSEi is trading in a downward channel and needs to overcome a barrage of indicators serving as key resistance levels. A continued lack of appetite may bring about a death cross that will accelerate the decline towards 6,250 levels. This level also coincides with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. As the year-to-date trendline holds, our bias remains to be on the downside with volume and market catalysts also missing.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
MONDE Nissan Corporation. MONDE's general trend remains down. But looking at its 2-month time frame, the stock was able to break out of its short-term falling wedge pattern, confirming the bullish divergence that occurred last June 22. The stock is currently trading at 8.20 and we may enter the stock at this level as we expect MONDE to fill the gap it created last May 12. Given this, our target is set at 9.20. To manage risks, place your stop level at 7.74 and limit your sizing in this position as the reward-to-risk ratio is below 3-to-1. Note as well that this is a short-term trade idea and will require close monitoring.
For more information on our trade ideas, please make sure to check our Technically Speaking commentaries through email or our research portal. So that's all we have for this week's Technically Speaking. Please tune in next week for future market updates. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to see future content like this, and good luck trading this week.